this graph right here. Look at what the hell Dogecoin is doing. That is literally the definition of parabolic. What the flip is Dogecoin doing? It ain't stopping neither. 29 cents for Doge. I bought it at like 10 cents and I sold it too, brev. We don't talk about the mistakes. We live and we learn and we move. Bitcoin at flipping 81,000 US dollars. Casper is pumping like crazy. If you bought when I told you at 10 cents, you'd have a lot more money right now. That's crazy. Omikami's the only one that's not moving, which is surprising because I think this is going to charge up. Look at all this consolidation. This is going to charge up for something mean. Mean, I'm telling you. And dominance, if we look at dominance, BTC dominance, oh, it's rolling over. Oh, it's rolling over. Is it going to carry on or is it fully going to go down though? That's the question because you need money to flow into alts. If that goes up again, that is not good for alts. That's why I'm holding a little bit of dry powder, as they would call it. Dry powder, aka cashola. 41 alt season. Thing is, are we getting a fake out? Are we getting that? Are we getting that? And a deterioration. It's at 80k though. We can't be getting that. Ooh, it's risky. Extreme greed too. Extreme greed. On the 30-day, what are we saying? On Binance Exchange for liquidation map. It's all long, bro. Longs need to get liquidated. Way too much leverage. Way too much leverage, bruh. It's going to get it out of the market. So this week we've got OPEC monthly report Tuesday, October US CPI inflation data Tuesday, October US PPI inflation data Thursday, US Fed Chair Powell speaks Thursday, October US retail sales data Friday, total of 12 Fed speakers events this week. Big week ahead. ADA, even Cardano's pumping. That's how you know something's wrong. That's how you know we might be going to crazy town. Bitcoin hitting new all-time high. Doge and SHIB up 20 to 30%. You know what that means. Pepe and Brett are next up. If we have a little look at Brett as well. Brett is the one I want to roll into. It's pumped a bit though, you know. It looks like it's topping out. We need it to roll over sort of like this. And I'm jumping in there, bro, because this looks like it's about to take off. Legit looks like it's about to take off. No joke thing. But we need like a small correction on Bitcoin, man. It's not even corrected. It's not taking the leverage out yet. USDT supply is breaking out aggressively. When this happened in 2023, the first part of the Bitcoin bull market started. Now the second part is about to start. I don't understand how don't think any of you understand how silly it's going to get if Dodge actually goes back to all-time highs. All of your meme coin targets are way too low. I want you to understand that alts will run massively this cycle. You probably don't believe it at this point, but it will happen, and it will happen fast and aggressive. So lock in. Don't buy Bitcoin at 80k because you know it's going to crash. That's mad. So he's showing you every time it actually corrects. What is this guy on about, bro? Boom. I also believe the market is underexposed to gold. Many are still calling it a boomer metal. So he thinks it's going to fly. So correction to fly. Gold might fly, you know. I woke up to my meme coins being up 12%. While it doesn't sound like a lot today, the truth is that 50%, 30% days are coming compounding on top of each other throughout the next year. My meme coin portfolio will soon be well over 150 million US dollars. That is crazy. Look at how much Brett he's got. I thought Cass was dead. 24-hour volume just hit $500 million USD. Flipping heck. Imagine when it gets to tier 1 exchange. The big meme coin winners of this cycle are here right now. We are still early in the grand scheme of things. Year 4 is when the parabolic moves happen. I love bananas. I love the banana zone. It's coming, man. Soon Omikami will flip Dogecoin. Only a small handful of people are paying attention to Ryoshi research. Fact, bro. If he's running Omikami, it's done. It's done. This is it, bro. This is the token of the cycle. If Ryoshi research is behind it, it's done. Some swap Omikami for ETH to chase green candles. Player A swaps entire Kami position for ETH and holds until 12/2025. ETH journeys to 18k during the bull market. Player A multiplies his money by a factor of 5.6. Player B buys Omikami and holds until the peak of the market. Omikami ascends to 64 billion and flips Shiba and Doge. Player B multiplies his money by a factor of 2,800%. Now you tell me, is that a worthy risk to reward? Which player understands basic math? Let me repost that real quick. All influencers are blind. This is the only time in the world we may be ahead of the whales. And I'm taking that opportunity, I don't care. The risk is worth it. You're very close to being the last chance to add Zone in crypto. The next step should be the memes breaking out, and after that, it's nothing to do but wait to take lifestyle chips off the table. Here is Dodge leading the breakout. Influencers are blind, bro. They're blind. Whoever had the balls to hold Casper, you're about to be rewarded. Ha ha ha. Technically, Bitcoin is worth 80k. I wouldn't sell you any of mine for that amount, though. Sorry, not sorry. Bitcoin is definitely more valuable than cash. Arguably, sell everything you have and go all in on crypto. This is 100% financial advice. Arguably the best financial advice I've heard. Just don't buy it, turd. ADA is dog, and it's up 33% though. You know, it's pumping. People are underexposed. If you follow normal 4-year pattern, it should not be a major disbelief, but more like normal expectations. Who do you think is at the wrong side of the trade? People are underexposed, doubting the break to new highs is for real, begging for dips to buy, getting lower, psychologically unable to buy here, which will create pressure of FOMO, causing them to eventually to chase higher. Convinced 85k is the top on 90 max, but we've just hit 80k in 4 candles. This will continue until people move from disbelief to hope and start to get fully exposed. He's right, man. People don't believe it. I'm waiting for pullbacks. What's everyone else doing? I'm in the market. Flipping heck. 64 billion is programmed. Imagine you fully exit at 1 billion only to watch Omikami rise to 29 billion from the sidelines. Dollar cost average into the market, dollar cost average out of the market. Learn to market sell in small batches slowly to minimize pushing the price down against yourself and triggering a bear market. Learn to create one-sided buy and sell walls via Uniswap. How? Earn fees from each trade, zero slippage, no transaction fees. In a buy wall, sellers leave behind the Omikami tokens while you sit back and relax. They dump directly to you. In a sell wall, buyers give you USDC as the price moves up. Finally, at the peak of the bull market, lock in your gains. If not, you will round trip and this will cause extreme pain. A book can be written about the magnitude of that pain. I wish you all so much success in Omikami. This guy knows what he's talking about. Remember to convert unrealized gains into cash or stablecoin when Omikami reaches 64 bill. I speak from experience as someone who's created 65 million paper gains portfolio but failed to properly execute on total value extraction at the top of the market. If I may, let me share with you how to become a multi-millionaire in the crypto space. First, you must choose the best racehorse. In my opinion, I think Kami is that horse that will dominate all memes, will flip Shiba and Doge. Second, you must be early to the asset. 20 million market cap is sufficiently early when you consider the 64 billion objective. Third, you must enter with as much size as possible. Be responsible. The size gives you leverage which magnifies your wealth in a very efficient way. Fourth, after a major move in the market or a small one, you must mitigate risk by removing all of your initial investment. Only profit should remain in the system. There is wisdom in extraction value after a huge 100x move. You should use that capital for personal financial objectives. This allocated money should never return to the market. You should build dry powder position with a small percentage of those realized gains. For example, 20% of dry powder in USDC for extreme dips where the price of Omikami drops 80 to 95%. 6. You must learn to hold the majority of your position until major targets have been reached. Ask CZ Binance about holding. You should never be in a situation where you exited all of your position at one set price. Yeah, that's fact. The guy knows what he's talking about. On a final thought, if you're fortunate enough to create and realize a multi-million-dollar portfolio, then be humble, no ego, be exceedingly grateful, dance and celebrate, but don't lose yourself, preserve capital, utilize risk management, enjoy life. Let me follow this dude. He knows exactly what he's talking about, bro. Holy dog. He knows what he's talking about. Sailor, Bitcoin is going to eat gold. Holy, it's gonna eat it. Eat it alive, bro. Meme coin super cycle is here. You ready? Everyone talks about meme coins, but quickly forget the king of memes is about to skyrocket. Never fade Doge. Made an inflation adjusted all-time high. Holy, the content, bro. It's pure gold. Buy and hold strong projects I believe in. Wait for ETH and SOL to 3x minimum. Watch the retail FOMO to hit hard. Sell the top public on X. Stack cash. Hold USDT. Watch the recession unfold. Let others panic as retail asset prices drop. Then shift profits into real estate. This is how we win. Currently on stage 1. I'll take you along with me. Mental. This might go down as one of the greatest ETH BTC calls ever. It bottomed on election day. Everything is going to plan. 79k Bitcoin. Look at that meme, bro. Your dog with hat. Should be flying after that meme. Can't lie. Flying, if you get what I'm saying. Beware of these mistakes so you don't burn capital. Pump is unhealthy and unpredictable. Don't catch a rising currency in green candles. Do not enter with a large number of currencies. A small number of currencies in the wallet is enough so that when you move, you feel the profit. Do not follow all currencies and feel that currencies are moving. Accept your currencies. Follow your portfolio only and be patient with goals until they are achieved. I will keep you updated with market updates and periodic deals, God willing, so that everyone can benefit. It's forbidden to be at Laffy and not benefit. Waiting for a simple correction to offer public deals and enter with you heavyweight deals. This is what I'm saying, you know, like with everyone waiting. Everyone's waiting, bro. You don't range for 8 months between 55 to 70k just to hit a measly 100k. We're about to see expansion like you've never seen. Raise your targets. Your biggest mistake is going to be selling too early. That's why we just read that you need to dollar cost average into and out of the positions. The price has now reached 1.236. Ideally, wave 3 reaches 3268. One says an indication that as top has formed, I will add support for wave 4. Doesn't look like a top has formed yet. Brett over whiff is going to fly. This guy's still back in that duck, man. Dolan duck. Because to be honest, I'm not going to lie here. I want to go more in on Omikami. Truthfully, man. Dolan duck's holding up quite strong, you know. Cass is back at 13 cents. Where have the bears gone? Bitcoin at 79k and no one cares. Higher, what am I witnessing? 80,000 Trump bucks, 64 billion super cycle. Even if we don't, memes are going to break the chart. Not break all-time high, they're going to break the TradingView chart, bro. Holy, bro. Higher, bro. Higher. 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 And I need more Mikami because I want it to go flipping higher. I'm just waiting for a correction. I don't want to be too stupid and go all in, especially if it pulls back to like here. 13 cents. Because then I can get a better deal. I can make more profits. And I have dry powder to put more in if I need to. You get what I'm saying? Don't go all in on Omikami. Don't be stupid. Don't listen to what I'm saying. You don't know why I'm buying it. Don't be silly. Casper as well. Casper's looking good, bro. This is the most certy project. This is certified. But you needed to buy here, not here.